Hi everyone and welcome to my December Daily 2017 flip through. This is my very first flip through I've ever done and I'm excited that I'm doing my December Daily one. This is one of my favorite projects over the years, I've realized, and this year I almost didn't do it, but I'm really glad that I took the time to do it. This album is from Ali Edwards and let's see what I did. So this is my cover page. So some of the products that I use for my December Daily are from Studio Calico, mainly from Ellie Studio. It's from the Document December kit from 2017 and Ali Edwards digital kit for 2017. So what I tried to do this time was to make sections instead of doing a December Daily kind of a format, but after doing the whole album I've realized that I like the December Daily format way more than the sections. So my first section is kind of seasonal, which is decorations and the tree and so on. And so I call this the season, and I used a 3x6 pocket page for this. And these are the lights in our house. I don't think I shared this page anywhere because I don't know, I thought the photo turned out much better but didn't like it much when I printed it, but happy that I recorded it. This page is about my boys, about the tree and their relationship. And I like this fold over that I did for this. This is Ali Edwards digital kit, and so is this actually, this little semicircle that you see over here. The gingerbread house, a lot of this is from Ellie Studio. The elf. This time the elf was lazy and didn't move all over the house. And Santa, and this is my little niece, and obviously she's pretty unhappy sitting on Santa's lap, and they decided to cry, but you know, they ended up laughing and stuff, so they all decided to cry, including Santa. These are some decorations around our house. This is just a filler page. I wanted to make it look better than this, but I did this towards the end and I was like done. I'm just done. I just need to finish it, and I tried to kind of do whatever occurred to me. And this is a photo shoot that we did in front of the tree on December 24th, and there are already some presents under the tree by then, and the kids were so looking forward to opening the presents, but we did it on December 25th, but then we did a cute photo shoot and we all had matching pajamas on and stuff, so that was fun. Some documentation about the tree and what we're looking forward to. And then December 25th, all the gifts and opening the presents, my niece and my sons. And then I have some photos underneath this in accordion folds. This is all the grown-ups opening their gifts too. And then we had our cousins visit in the night, so we had a bunch of presents being opened also in the night, and we also did like little photo shoots in front of the tree and some filler pages. And so this is my treats section. This is another card, 3x4 card from Ali Edwards digital kit, which I made it bigger to fit a 6x8 page. And this time I was very inspired by Pinterest and wanted to try different Christmassy ideas from Pinterest. And I love this Santa pancake. This is one of the first things we did in December, is to make a Santa pancake. It was Surya's, my son's, half birthday, so we decided to make a Santa pancake. And then a mandatory Starbucks visit and documenting the Starbucks cup and treats and stuff. And this was supposed to be a Santa hat. It didn't work out as I expected it to be, but it was pretty delicious. I really like this photo of the kids. They really like to lick the bowl rather than eat the brownie itself. But this is another pancake idea that I saw on Pinterest. And this is how I made it, but before I knew, it was being transformed into different shapes. So that was fun. Hot chocolate and then some filler cards. And celebrating some special news from my brother's family. And then now we're in the currently section. So we read Harry Potter through December, so that was fun to document. This book is about 20 years old, and I bought it, I read it, my older son read it, and now my younger son is reading it, so that's pretty cool. And we recently also finished reading it and we watched the movie. And all of the products from here are from Ali Edwards digital kit, except for some of the stickers. They're from the Document December kit from Ellie Studio. And here I'm documenting one of our favorite shows, which is When Calls the Heart, which airs on Hallmark, but we watch it on Netflix. One of the saddest things in our area through December or in the beginning of December was the fire, and I had to document it as part of our of this project. It was really sad, and we were stuck in the house a lot. We couldn't do much. We couldn't go out much. A lot of our activities got cancelled and games got cancelled. The kids were out of school for a long time. It was really sad for the people whose houses got burnt and stuff, and the air quality was so bad, to the level where all the people who were visiting us towards the end of December had almost cancelled their trips. But luckily it all kind of got under control, and my brother and his family made it. So here we have banners and boards and signs up everywhere thanking the firefighters for their hard work through the holiday season. And so I wanted to capture that. And this was a quick Starbucks trip that we made, but we were actually walking around with our masks and stuff, but we took it out just for the photos and put back our masks on quickly after that. Here I wanted to document all the movies, not all, but some of the movies that we watched through December. And Coco and Star Wars were definitely my favorite movies. And then there were some other movies that we watched on Netflix, and a Telugu movie that we watched on YouTube. And then this is like currently what I love about you kind of a page, which I do this often with both my kids and having recording similar stats about them. Some of the things we did, my kids are not that into crafts, but being stuck at home, we actually went and bought some crafts and did these fuse beads, and actually they enjoyed it a lot. So we should be doing more of those things. Another thing we did was the puzzle, and thanks to the December Daily, Ali Edwards December Daily group for the inspiration, and it was one of the most fun things we did, actually, coming together as a family and putting this puzzle together. And we knew that as soon as this little thing, as soon as she came, that we had to put the puzzle away, and as expected, you see her happiness there pulling the puzzle out. We put it away as soon as she came. So we did a professional photo shoot of our family. This is my brother's family, and this is my family, my mother-in-law. This is my niece. We did a professional photo shoot, and I had to put that photo in for the family section. And my cousin visited, and his 3 kids, and we did a bunch of activities together around Santa Barbara, which was a lot of fun. We went to the museum, and from here onwards, I think I had reached the limit of, okay, I'm done. I just have to finish this project. And this is almost like, this is 24th and it's beyond 25th. So I just slipped in photos. I printed my photos, slipped them in, and then wrote a little bit, documented a little bit about each of the days. We went to the winery together, and we actually had some amazingly warm weather that we went to the beach, and my niece's first visit to the beach, and she had such a good time. And then that's pretty much the last page, and I used one of the pages that I had made initially, a pocket page, to slip in all the cards that we got from our friends. And that's pretty much the end of the project. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.